Did you know microwaves beep louder when they're judging your life choices? It's true. Each beep is a tiny sigh of disappointment. Like when you heat up leftover pizza for breakfast. Beep! Really again? Or when you microwave a single sad potato. Beep beep. Is that all you're having? But the loudest beep is reserved for questioning your dreams. Beep, beep, beep. Still writing that novel? So next time your microwave beeps extra loud, oh, maybe it's time for a salad. Or, finally finish that novel.